Pretty good view right here. So that was the street we just walked down. But this it's pretty cool, like the way this building is. But then you have the Rocky Mountain thing, and you also have this behind us. Then you have this kind of cool stream right here too, and that's called the balcony bar. It'd be a great place to have a beer. And this guy looks like he's enjoying a cigarette, kind of leaning forward a little bit. All right. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. This is inside one of them. Live music later. So that's it. Gonna play some live music with a microphone and got one instrument. Looks pretty cool. Same bar with the balcony. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. The mountains jutting out right there. It's really, the sign's kind of right in the middle of the street. Culture institution, hello. There's some live music around this area too. This hotels are kind of cool. Yeah, the other street is the busy street. This is a lot more low-key, following a nice canal. Okay. This camera keeps overheating in this hot August weather. But this is kind of here where the music is coming from. Hello. And this thing says hello beer, which I think is where the music's coming from. Everybody's trying to drum up business at this tower. It's kind of before dinner starts, so everybody should be hungry still. So they're trying to get them in. Oops. Okay. Kind of want to walk over this spot. Let's go over this way. So we're gonna check out. There's another river, canal. And this one has some pretty cool trees. This is a tree right here with all this kind of red all the way down. Okay. Now this street's going to get quite a bit busy right in here. And I think at the moment, I think the demographics is more family with their kids, little kids especially. Maybe it's because of the time right now. It's a good time to get your kids outside and get dinner so they can go to bed, I guess, later, I guess. Maybe, you know, maybe I'm just speculating, I'm not sure. Beautiful mountain straight ahead. That's where I went up earlier today, actually. And then we're back in the mess of everything.
杨寿宁小吃玫瑰水果糍粑冰粉，老传统纯手工制作，手工搓的冰粉。
This background is really beautiful with this mountain right here. It's is, I think this is the main street, and then all the other streets have a lot of cool stuff all around them too. Little food court with tons of food everywhere. Okay. Looks like this is the young person bar, but there's some kids there. Silver. Okay. So you're getting a good taste for what this Main Street is like, especially at this time in the evening. It's pretty cool. Later my plan is to sit and listen to some live music in some of the bars and pubs. Drink some beer and get some meat and corn and such on sticks. So the skewers. Okay. I'm just gonna go a little bit further, but you can see how crowded it is up there. Just kind of flag. Big drum there. Selling hats for kids. See the moon. 今天免费试吃，免费品尝啦！欢迎三宝举手的先来准备带你看一下把花酒国酒国会品尝。那六月场内打包的对于三宝举手的三花酒国茶单是I'll just keep walking for now until we get just a little bit further. It's going to open up into something big, but look at those crowds up by the main street up there. They're massive. Just gonna take a look at one of these other streets instead. Yeah, you can see all the mountains all the way around. Right now it's kind of perfect because you can capture everything easier right now. Okay, so you're kind of getting a good view of Yangshuo. Let's see where this big lake is over here. They got some live music over there. So, okay. The water right there. So this camera might overheat again, so I'm just gonna turn it off for a while again. But you're getting some pretty good images of what the city looks like, especially in the evening. Okay. So this is where we're gonna get some skewers. So you get them here. You have a bunch of them at the table later. Okay. Chiquinha, chiquinha.